Good job, Tegan. These look like some delicious cookies. Make sure you spread them out. You got one corner that doesn't have anything in it.
I want to make a lot.
Yeah? I think next batch we're gonna make into like little balls. Are you rolling them, making them into balls?
Yeah.
So that they'll be
Ball.
so they be smooth cookies,
Yeah.
not plumpy cookies.
Yeah, rolling. Rolling on low. Roll. You roll first. And you roll first. You put it on first. And that's how you make a cookie.
Oh.
Watch.
Okay, I think it's time to put them in the oven.
I'm not done yet.
You already did that one.